We're going to use glazing to fix a failed watercolor. Stay tuned and watch to the end and see how we can do that. First, we will do a simple drawing. Taking some pictures from the internet, we can draw a cocktail. Be very careful to draw the highlights, the different shapes, and specifically capturing shapes of different values. That's it. Our drawing, very simple. Keep it simple, it's always best. In this case, I am painting around the subject, basically putting down colors in a dance around fashion. We start with a bit of a warm red, light paint over the lines. Let the brush dance around so that it is not boring. Splatter. Splatter always create more interesting textures. Let water do its job. Let the colors flow freely. I like to clean up or mop up excess water. Mopping up excess water will allow the painting to dry faster, 1. 2, it also reduces the risk of it splattering everywhere in an uncontrolled fashion. So now we will paint the slice of lemon on top, where the cocktail has a slice of lemon stuck to it. Obviously yellow, green, dark green in this case. I happen to have splattered some red over it, doesn't matter, we just have to paint over it. In any case, I intend the inside of the lemon or lime to be orange. There's also a piece of fruit of some sort at the back. Or you just have to let the brush dance around. Be natural. There's a cube of ice in the cocktail. If you look at the way I painted, it's basically using orange, yellow, reddish sort of colors and in different shapes. I am trying to use the guide provided by the pencil lines to paint the various values I see in the cocktail. Where it's dark, where it's light, where it's mid-tone. The splatter, of course, is artistic license. I use a thin brush to draw some lines. Drop some darks at the rim of the glass. Again, use enough water to let water do its job, basically. Let the green melt. I do like colors to melt together using water as a medium. It is just so relaxing to watch it melt. At this time, the color scheme I'm going for is yellow and purple. Unfortunately, it is turning out to have a lot more green than I intended. We shall see that that becomes a problem at the end of the sketch, and in some ways the color scheme is a failed color scheme. and I had to basically use glaze or tinting to fix the color scheme. So at first glance, I am reasonably happy with this sketch. The values is reasonably okay. A lot of the drips and drabs I'm pretty happy with. There are some nice lines, giving the sort of feel of a colorful cocktail, if you like. So in general, I'm pretty happy with this sketch. So this is where I ended up. So I thought it was more or less complete. So I put my name in Chinese, and then I wrote my name, and I considered done at this point. And of course, as I looked at it, I'm actually not very happy with it because I didn't like the color scheme. Green purple just didn't sort of fit very nicely. So I decided that I'll fix it with a glaze. And to fix it with a glaze, I taped the edges. As you can see, I intend to leave some white on the edges, the four sides of the painting. So here's my plan. I intend to tint the painting with Quinacridone Rose, which is a very transparent colors, and it's red. So effectively what I'll be doing is making the painting green and red, Christmas color basically. So here we go. Lots of water, diluted Queen Rose, and making it not so wet, but yet that it could flow. I didn't want to make it like a sticker, in other words, with sharp edges. So in any case, now I'm also dropping some opaque colors, opaque orange, yellow, to make it pop. More darks, and allowing the edges to melt, creating soft edges, if you like. And then all the time I'm picking up excess water, excess moisture, to reduce unnecessary flow of water. Your brush should be dancing around and not too straight and boring in its movement. So here you go, the dried and fixed painting.